Yeah, that didn't work. All right, back to the drawing board. Good things, we still got one combine going around the field. All right. Well, really good news. We got the combine on in the field, got the head hooked up, started combining, just combined my first hopper, or kind of first load, and everything's going really good. And yeah, kind of nice. We take around with combine, then it dies. Like totally just shuts off. All right. Well, we had a letdown. Combine went from Duke status to Duker status. I don't even want to start that game again. We had a breakdown and I don't even know what. After having a very successful first hopper, something happened. I don't know. She like choked out, and now she doesn't want to restart. So I think I had a breakdown and lose some codes. We're going to pick up parts right now, but of course we got to train, which isn't the end of the world, but it's just kind of one of those things where you're like, wow, I just can't make time today. Okay, that's all right. We'll just sit here. We're back from Deere. We got some parts, and we're gonna put them in, and hopefully the day goes a little better from here on out. We got nothing there, which tells me more than likely a safety switch or device is sticking, I'm assuming, and I still got nothing. Well, time to leave. And we actually didn't get that combine running again, but then luckily we had the other combine in the yard, so we got that running. We were still able to take off crops, busy spreading, but then, we called John Deere out. Like, first time ever I've called John Deere out on a combine. All right, that moment of truth, is it gonna start? I hope so. Yes! Heck yeah! Thank you, John Deere, thank you. I go to work on a big project, I'm stressed with that project. Meanwhile, you guys fixed my combine. Thank you. Thank you so much. I haven't seen the bill yet, don't care. They made my dreams come true. And Eric's going with the other combine. The goal was when we were done spreading that we'd be able to fire up both combines, turn them on, and combine beans, and hey, they made that dream come 100% true. What's your favorite part of this whole fall so far?
Just how good everything's going against.
Yeah, it's smoothly.
Fast good. Guys at the elevator. They're always fun.
Yeah, they are. And they deal with some like crazy whiny people.
Yeah.
One of my favorites has been my dad combine with Corbin. That was pretty cool. What was it getting in the cab?
Not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, we made it. 3 generations.
Pretty neat.
Yep.
Oh, and 4 have ran this farm. First time in 3 years be able to crawl back up in the combine, and pretty neat. It was 2021 where he fell and tore his knee up, and this was the first year he thought he'd be able to get in it, and actually he's in there right now with Corbin, and kind of neat.
Corbin's first day of combining. Going good, right? Yep. He didn't plug it up. Who plugged it up?
Oh, there's going.
That's always a big thing for you grandparents out there. I understand, like, hey, spend time with your grandkids. And this is the first time in 3 years my dad's been able to get into the combine after knee surgery and ankle surgery on the same leg. Yeah, feel bad for him.
Doing good though.
Yeah, no, I think he's actually having fun. I mean, it's been 2 days. I'm like, hey, Dad, if you want to quit, you can. Nah, I'm good. Okay. All right, so things are going really good. We actually had kind of a cool thing. We finished this field, which is our biggest bean field, 90-something acres, and pretty cool, except for we were walking by the one combine and we heard air hissing, and once you know it, we had a sidewall giveaway. And luckily we have a spare back at home. My dad's going to get that. I'm jacking it up right now, and yeah, we'll hopefully be back at it. We just turned down the driveway that leads to the shop. If I was a betting person, I bet there's more of a chance this thing idles perfect in front of the shop. I think it will too. Idle like crap in the field. electric pump is. I'm wondering if it's not overpowered because it's at idle. It won't idle, and then she clears out. Clears out just fine. But you know the good news with all this? Our biggest problem mechanically we're having right now with all of the equipment that's in the field is our 1976 Highboy either is flooding out or... See, and then it's good. And I wonder if that pump's just not overpressuring the flow.
Maybe.
So, okay, other than our farm truck just being a farm truck, the irony with all of this, man, Andre had this thing running awesome. I don't care. Just happy she's running, man. She should be in the scrapyard, but nope. Too good of an old farm truck. So we're both agreeing it's going to probably idle in front of the shop.
I'm sure.
Let's find out.
Yep. Likes us again.
Why? Why? Oh, that's probably the more nerve-wracking part. Like, why? Like, you heard it in the field. Like, she's just wanting to choke out.
Yep.
I mean, it's crisp. It's nice. Why? That is weird.
Great mystery.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, well. Hey, whatever, right?
Yeah, it's running.
I had a joke inside the shop that like the whole shop's empty. Okay, so if you look behind me here, notice the shop is empty. That means we've been having a good fall. Doesn't mean nothing broke. It just means that we've been able to fix everything in the field. That's not so bad. That means that all the repairs have been able to be done in the field. That's a nice feeling.
Yeah, it is.
That's a nice feeling at this point in fall. I mean, you heard it, right? It just wanted to choke out and die. We just end the night on a good note, like, hey, combines are running. Both combines are running. Grain cart's running. Semis are running. Rusty Red's running good enough.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's fun for you.
I'll take that. We did put like the cheapest rebuild kit on eBay in this thing. It was like $14.95 with shipping. So, I mean, there's like, who knows? Yeah, it's just like it was choking out in the field, and now it's really good. Well, hot rod stuff. All right, so how do we end it tonight? Just on a good note, happy?
I think so.
And then if the combine dies and it won't start and you're frustrated, I just call Deere. There's that. Worry about the bill after you get the crops off.